Welcome to Beaming Restorations. We're a family-run restoration team that have been helping our customers with projects and homes across the UK for more than 10 years. Here is an excellent example of the natural beauty that our specially crafted restoration process can reveal. The beauty of the gentle pinks and natural-looking stone that comprise this stunning fireplace speak for themselves. This example demonstrates how our family-run restoration team have carefully removed years of paint to reveal the true beauty and rustic charm of these lovely beams. The burn marks from old candles illustrate the history of the beam and add authenticity to the restoration. Check our website or Google for our numerous 5-star testimonials. How can we help you today?